customers step into the EagerLED LED display sample room. The enthusiastic salesman immediately started a detailed introduction to various types of LED displays, from indoor high-definition LED walls to LED rental screens. All of them demonstrate EagerLED's leading position in the field of LED technology. Under the guidance of the salesman, EagerLED technicians quickly demonstrated the installation method of LED display screens, showing customers a variety of trend-setting LED products. A variety of LED displays are displayed in the exhibition hall, covering different sizes, pixel densities and functions, fully demonstrating the richness and diversity of EagerLED's product line. This visit not only deepened the cooperative relationship, but also provided valuable learning and cooperation opportunities for Korean customers.